Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Kim with Kim's Inspired Life, guys. I have a scrapbook.com haul, and I don't know why, but every time I think about going and shopping on scrapbook.com, I think about Gina. Gina loves to craft. Gina, you just have me always going to scrapbook.com and checking it out. Oh my gosh. So here's some things that I bought, but before I share this with you, I just wanted to share first that I was at Ross the other day. Ross is right across the street from my house, but I hardly ever go there. I don't know why. And then I see someone sharing something crafty that they got from Ross, and I think, ooh, that reminds me, I should go there. So for $1.99, I got these large jumbo. These are 6 paper clips. Not really sure what I'm going to do with them yet, but I know I have seen videos where people made embellishments from them. Look at these super cute Valentine heart Emery boards. How cute are they? Oh my gosh. So I had to pick those up too. Okay, so that's from Ross. So here's what I got at scrapbook.com. And so let me see. I got these sponge daubers because, you know, always making cards and really trying to get into the habit of every time I use some sort of an embellishment or any little piece of ephemera, I try to ink it up. The only thing about it is I don't have a container for these. I know I've seen them. They're, the plastic boxes that have all the daubers in it, but I don't think they make one for just a small one. I think you have to have like lots of these. And so I don't have lots of these, and I don't really have a place to store them. So I may just get like a small, Dollar Tree box or something to put these in. So, and then look at these watercolor pens. Oh my gosh, I don't have any of these. My daughter-in-law has been telling me to get some of these. These are from Prima, and there's 2 of them in here. You just, fill them up with water. I have some pastel paints that I want to use them with. So these are pretty, and then they came in purple. So that's pretty. I hardly ever buy these adhesive rollers. If I see them on sale, I may pick one up, but I don't know. Always remember to get the refill for them. I don't know if it's even more expensive to put them in there. It's 32 feet, but personally for me, that goes, I just go through that just like that. So I'm not a fan of these. I don't mind just, having my roll out and just cutting the tape from the roll. So I don't know. I know this does speed up the process, but anyway, got that. And then look at how cute these are. I have been wanting these, and I keep thinking, oh, Kim, just get them. No, don't get them. But the more and more I just see them, I just had to get them. Aren't these so cute? And then I thought this was interesting. I got this Hey Bunny paper roses, 24 sheets, A5 paper, 2 each of 12 designs. Well, one, look, it's black and white, and then it has to do with, it's coming up with Easter. And I love black and white, but I thought it was interesting that it didn't come together like, glued at the top, like normally we get, pads in. It came in a bag. And then you take it out of the bag and everything's just loose paper. So that's fine. I mean, I just thought that was interesting. Nothing wrong with that. But look at how cute these are. Have you seen this before? I have not seen this. I don't even know if there's like other pieces to go with it. Is there ephemera? Is there other things to go with it? I don't know. But I just love black and white and grays. And so look at those hearts. So, anyway, that is really pretty. So I like that. I'll just have to get a clip to put at the top. And then look at how cute this is. Bella Boulevard. Love Bella Boulevard paper. It's called My Candy Girl. So this is really pretty. And here's the, woo, look at the back. It makes you a little dizzy, doesn't it? But this side's pretty. So I got 2 of those. And then look at this Simple Story Sweet Talk. This is pretty. I don't have much of the Simple Stories like Valentine line or anything, but I just wanted to get this just for the little cut aparts. And I know that you may be seeing this and Valentine's may be over or tomorrow. I don't know when I'm going to post this video, but it doesn't matter because, hey, love all year long, right? And then the other side looks like this, which is really cute too. But yeah, I bought it for this. Gina reminded me because I forget that apparently there's always a free gift involved when you order. So this is cute. So I've seen several people that got this love word die. So of course I can use that. And then the last thing I wanted to share with you that I got is or let me tell you this first, and then I'll share with you what I got. Was you guys know that scrapbook.com always has this program called Cards for Kindness, and so they are encouraging us to always make cards. You can find all the information at scrapbook.com/kindness, and it's an initiative that they invite all of us crafters to make cards and then send them in, which then they share them. And then I didn't realize, and I don't know if they've always had this or this is new, but they offer this Cards for Kindness polymer stamp set for $10. And so it has thinking of you, happy birthday, sending hugs, hello, hi, just for you, and then this really cute little postmark stamp there. So, and then it comes with a little booklet that tells you how to, work your stamps and all of that, in case you didn't know. So I just thought this was really cool, and I figured for $10 that has everything you need, and I've really been wanting to join that initiative, Cards for Kindness, and that's actually one of my goals, which I haven't shared my goals yet for 2022, but that's actually one of my goals for 2022 is to make more cards and to join this initiative as well. That's all I got from scrapbook.com. All right, guys, thanks for stopping by. I'll talk to you again soon, and we'll go on to the next haul.